In the tumultuous era of the mid-19th century, a profound sense of humanity and compassion blossomed amidst the carnage of battlefields. Amidst this cacophony of chaos and destruction, a visionary man, Henry Dunant, found himself in the heart of the Battle of Solferino, witnessing the harrowing spectacle of war's brutal impact on the innocent. On June 24, 1859, the Austrian and French armies clashed, leaving thousands of wounded soldiers and civilians strewn across the battlefield. Dunant, a Swiss businessman, was moved to action by the anguished cries for help and the sight of the wounded left to die. He threw himself into the humanitarian relief effort, providing aid, comfort, and a semblance of dignity to the suffering. In the aftermath of the battle, Dunant penned a book, A Memory of Solferino, detailing his experiences and proposing a revolutionary idea, the establishment of a neutral, international organization dedicated to alleviating human suffering in wartime. This organization, he envisioned, would be known as the International Committee of the Red Cross ICRC. His proposal was met with initial skepticism and dismissal. Yet, Dunant's unwavering conviction and the power of his narrative resonated with a few visionaries, including Swiss businessman and politician, Gustave Moynier, and French diplomat, François-Louis Napoleon, who would later become the ICRC's first president and vice president, respectively. In 1863, the Geneva Convention was born, with the Red Cross emblem, a red cross on a white background, becoming the symbol of neutrality and protection in war zones. The convention outlined the rules for the treatment of wounded soldiers and civilians, setting a new standard for humanitarian care during conflict. The Red Cross, in its infancy, faced numerous challenges. However, its mission, to alleviate human suffering and protect the dignity of the wounded, remained steadfast. In the decades that followed, the Red Cross would become an enduring beacon of hope, providing aid, comfort, and solace to millions of victims of war and disaster around the world. The story of the Red Cross's founding serves as a testament to the power of compassion, the resilience of the human spirit, and the indomitable will of one man to bring about change in a world torn apart by war. The legacy of Henry Dunant continues to inspire generations, reminding us that in the darkest of times, hope can still be found, and it is often born from the most unexpected places.